Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Van from BT21. If you love these cute characters, please make sure to check out my BT21 playlist. To draw this cute robot from BT21, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So I'm going to come right here and kind of draw a rounded off tip. So right here, I'm going to center, nice and soft on the tip, and come down. So then from there, we're going to start to slide this down and out. So we're going to start to draw the head. And then from there, we're just going to start to draw our dumpling shape. So it's nice and round and wide at the sides. So I'm going to go step by step on both sides and keep coming around. And let's start to bring it down. And from there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And as I come towards the bottom, it's going to be a little bit flatter and connected. There, we have the head in. So then from there, let's come, because everything is just either gray or white, so it's going to be straight down the center, right? So I'm going to come about in this area towards the bottom here, and I'm just going to draw a straight line across. So right in the center, about right here, just draw a straight line across. So this is for the mouth, and about right there. And then I'm going to come up above this line on this area and draw an X. So about right here, I'll draw an X. And then I'm going to come to the other side, so about right here, and draw a circle for the eye. So that I have that placed in, I'm just going to come in here and thicken everything. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come and draw the body. So nice and center once again. I'm just going to give myself 2 points about right here. And I'm going to bring a curve down. So a cute little body, soft curve down on both sides. And just bring it down a little bit more. About right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to come to the center once again, and in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a small little line. And then from there, I'm going to start with a curve that comes down on both sides. I'm going to start to draw the legs. So right here, I'm going to curl it in a little bit as I come down. And then here, I'm going to flare it out a tiny bit for the feet. And same thing on this side. And then go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the arms. So thank goodness it's nice and simple. We're going to come right here and we're just going to draw a curve and just tuck it in. So same thing on this side. And tuck it in. And then let's come in here, and I'm very lightly going to draw a straight line down. So I'll start right here since it's easier for me to see. Draw a straight line down the center. And I'm going to continue this line up. So right here. And I'm going to come right here and try my best to draw a straight line all the way down. Oops. Not as aligned as I wished. No problem, we can fix that, right? There. Okay, so that is pretty much it. And I'm going to come right here and draw a heart. So now it's my Van from BT21. So it's pretty much done with the drawing. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love this cute little robot from BT21 and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.